147 Coventry. So a lot of things like the wood trim or whatever is going to have to be painted. 100% repaint inside. Definitely want to have the roof looked at. This is fake grass over here, which is great. So I would say paint everything. Pull this tile up, pull this carpet up, pull that laminate up, pull this tile up in here as well. We have too many different types of flooring in this property. Oh. Place that blind, of course. It's nice to have a bedroom downstairs. Sorry. Too many different types of flooring, but it doesn't really matter anyway because it's so dated that you're going to have to replace it, so might as well have it all match. This door needs to be painted on the outside as well. Get some blinds. But we have granite counters. That's amazing. Undermount sink, but we do need a gooseneck. We already have a space saver microwave, so if we can keep the fridge, that would be great, and probably replace the stove with something black and maybe replace this lighting as well. These blinds are dirty and the valances are falling off. Just all new blinds, all new everything. Make sure that fan is safe. It looks like it's a little off balance. Of course, replace all these blinds. And so we'll get the property manager's opinion on whether or not we actually need a blind here. Sometimes they say no, but I'm looking straight into that apartment window. So that's a property manager call. Junk. I've never seen so many ladders in my life. But, you know, they may remove it at close of escrow, but just assume they don't. That needs to be junked. Repaint. Cover the weed barrier. I mean, it looks like there's a lot of rock, but you know, you may need to get some additional rock. This isn't completely level, so we need the expert opinion on whether or not it's a trip hazard. I personally don't think it is, and repaint all this because it's somewhat graded, but I'm not going to be responsible if someone trips, so we would get the expert opinion. So this is interesting. Large laundry room. This needs to be tile. Repaint this. I don't know what you would do with this space really, other than to turn it into a storage room. Maybe put a couple of rods in there. A clothesline to dry. We need a blind. Remove this, which they will do when they repaint. So this needs to be tile. So this tile is carried into the shower. Either, and I don't know if this is possible, but we would want this tile to match. So maybe stop the tile at the shower, replace all of this. I actually like the light fixtures. Ow. Of course, pull this up. I think you need new countertops. I would get a new light fixture as well. It's about $65. Shower rod. I mean, there is a shower rod here, but I would get a new one. We need blinds and closet doors. Remove cables in both rooms. And a light switch. Okay. And I'm just going to point out that, they are flat doors. Okay.